Hi friends, this time we are off to the forest adventure and heading towards the wild.
Mudumalai, the place of jungle. Hi, I am Adrit.
I am Bonani and today we are sharing
Our trip to Mudumalai. It is 330 kilometers from Bangalore and it took 4 to 5 hours to reach there. So let's get started.
Our journey brought us to a delightful breakfast stop at Hari Govind's Pure Veg in Mysuru. This restaurant is renowned for its vegetarian cuisine, offering a variety of dishes that cater to every palate. The ambience is warm and welcoming, making it a perfect spot to start our day.
And I ate idli. They have nice parking spaces also. Now we are our way to the jungle.
Yes, we are now heading towards the Masinaguri and have to pass through Bandipur and Mudumalai forest.
See, there is an elephant!
Absolutely, while crossing the jungles of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, you can see wild animals in their natural habitat. Now let me tell you, before entering Tamil Nadu, make sure to generate an e-pass if you are driving your own vehicle.
We spotted lots of deer. Yay!
Make sure not to carry any plastic bottles when you are in Tamil Nadu, as plastics are completely banned here.
Can you see a deer crossing the road? Now we are going towards the resort. And now we have reached our resort, Misty Wood, Masinaguri. In the middle of the jungle, it's a beautiful resort.
This is a private property in the midst of the jungle with room rent of 4,000 per night for basic rooms.
They have beautiful garden all around.
It took us another 2 hours from Mysore to reach here, and since we are traveling in April, it's quite hot all around. I will be sharing a separate video about this resort, covering details like the room quality, pricing, available food options, and more. Let's continue with the jungle safari trip.
They have beautiful parking space also.
In day 1, as we were traveling, we did not plan hard. We relaxed after the lunch, and in the evening we climbed up to a watchtower within the resort. You get to see a beautiful panoramic view of the entire jungle. And guess what we watch?
A wild boar.
Seems like that wild boar is also having its evening walk. In day 2 at 7 am, we went out to take the bus safari. We encountered lots of deer while traveling towards the safari station. Here we reached the reception center of the safari booking counter. Online safari booking is available for Jeep Safari, but for bus you need to book it from the counter itself. Ticket costs $340 per person. For kids, if you don't need extra seat, then you don't have to pay. The internet connectivity of this place is extremely low, so better to carry cash with you.
Now we are boarded in the bus. We are entering into the dense forest.
What a beautiful shades of green. The beauty of the jungle is somewhere where every leaf, every sound, every shadow feels alive. One bus follows the other. Every turn of the wheels adds to the thrill of the journey ahead.
The roads are very narrow.
And suddenly we spotted an elephant munching on bamboo sticks. Besides it, a tiny baby elephant playfully tugged at the grasses. Though in the camera it was not that visible, it was a heartwarming sight, a glimpse of a hidden life in the forest.
We spotted lots of elephants.
Rest followed by the peacock, sambar deer and wild boar, we have concluded our bus safari in this way. And that's how our jungle safari ended. We came back to the resort, had lunch and spent the afternoon while resting only. In the evening, we went for one more safari, this time a jeep safari. We all wanted to experience the thrill of an evening ride through the jungle. It was a private safari arranged by our resort and cost us just 500 per person.
We are going to another forest of Mudumalai.
While traveling through the jungle, we came across a forest fire. The heat was so intense, so strong that even while sitting inside the jeep, we could feel our skin burning. The jungle looked unique, with everything around us having a reddish shade. It almost felt like we are in a forest painted in red. First, they took us through a very rocky path that led to a viewpoint at the top of the valley. You could really feel how bumpy the ride was. We were all shaking and bouncing around in the jeep. So we reach at the hilltop and there is an old temple which is Mudumalai Murugan temple. While we were heading back, we saw a peacock walking gracefully through the jungle. Seems like it had come to bid us goodbye. Such a lovely sight. We headed towards the Moa Dam. The drive itself was scenic, passing through the dry forest dotted with cactus plants, offering a different landscape compared to the other parts of the Mudumalai region. This Moa Dam serves the hydroelectric purposes. While the dam area is restricted, visitors can enjoy view of the reservoir and the surrounding Nilgiri mountains. The peaceful environment and the chance to spot wild animals along the way make it worthwhile visit. As we passed through the dry forest with cactus plants lining both sides and flashes of greenery in between, the scenery looked so picturesque. Even if you don't spot any animals, The journey through this forest is an amazing experience in itself. We are leaving the Nilgiris behind and moving towards another region of Mudumalai. On the way, we spotted a group of elephants quietly munching on grass. It was such a peaceful and beautiful sight.
That's a baby elephant.
And just like that, our 2-day trip to Mudumalai came to an end. With the heart full of memories, we began our drive back to Bangalore. On our way back, we stopped at Lemon Fine Dine restaurant for lunch. It's a non-veg place with a lovely kids play area, making it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy a good meal.
I love this play area and I played a lot here. I hope you all like our video and you enjoy watching us. Please like and share our video. Thank you.